Hey, what's up, everybody? Brandon here at Midnight Customs. Just checking in real quick. I just got back from an out of town trip for work. I got a little project coming up. One is improving on this welding cart design. I'm actually just going to not use that one at all, but I'm going to take all this fine steel here and we're going to take it and make a taller cart with an extra shelf on it with lots of room to hold the plasma cutter, which is sitting down in the corner, and the welder together. We're going to have hooks on it so we can hold some more lines and cables and what have you, and then hold two bottles. But it's going to take me a minute to get this thing going just because I got work out of town. So I got a day and a half in town to get things going. But the problem I have with this one is I work on the truck outside in the side yard, and those wheels get stuck. You have to push it backwards and then do a 6-point to get the thing turned around to get it back in the garage to put it away. So we're going to use some wheelbarrow wheels. We're going to put some bigger swivel casters on, and we're going to make it a little taller because I'm a tall guy, and that way I can work inside my leverage zone and push it around and not have to fight with it. So drop a like and subscribe. Stay tuned. And hit the notification bell. Appreciate you. We'll see you soon.